Mum's pretty handy when it comes to flat tyres. She says it's always worth trying an emergency repair using the sealant stored in the boot. You just lift the lid of the compressor, connect the bottle, unscrew the cap and connect the hose. The power lead goes into the car's accessory socket. Then you start the engine and switch it all on. And if it doesn't work first time, it sometimes helps to jack the car up, spin the wheel and try it over again.
Changing the tyre takes a bit more effort. The car needs to be on level, hard ground with the handbrake applied. Using the wheel brace and locking tool, you loosen the wheel nuts and locate the jack points. Remove the wheel nuts, remove the tyre, and swap it with the spare. And we will be going straight to a Suzuki Service Centre to have a new tyre put on, as this is just an emergency tyre. Tighten it all up, lower the jack, retighten the wheel nuts and we're good to go.